Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to be doing Lady Gaga's Rain on Me white liner look, which everybody is obsessed about. This video is full of amazing makeup looks and I couldn't choose which one I wanted to do, but definitely this white one was very curious and was very well done, and I wanted to recreate it, but I'm going to be doing this makeup look using affordable makeup. So whoever is at home that wants to do the makeup is and have access to these affordable products that I'm gonna be using can recreate the makeup.
So without any further ado, let's get started.
Okay, to start with, I wanna cheat the look and I wanna do it using tape on the sides, so I have a very straight line. And I do this trick whenever I wanna do a very sharp liner and I want them to look as even as possible. So in order for the tape not to hurt your skin, what I do is I put it in my hand first, like I tape it there, and then I remove it and put it in the face, so that way the glue is not that strong and it's not gonna hurt you when you remove it. And I'm gonna place it here because I cut a very long one, because if you see the look is very long in the outer part, so it's almost up to the hair, to the hairline. So I did it this long because of that. Otherwise, if you're doing like a cat liner and it's a short one, then you just need a short piece of tape. I'm gonna do the same trick here. And you look straight to make sure that they're even, or as even as possible. Perfect. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to sketch the shape of the eye, and I'm gonna take this pencil from Essence, and it's a nude color, and I'm going to use it as my, like a cheat sheet or something like that. So we can sketch first the eye and then put the white, so you know where the white is going to be. So I'm going to start from the center, from the inner corner. And since I have hooded eyes, I'm going to do this looking straight to the mirror and making sure that the line doesn't go inside my mobile eyelid. So you guys, when I open my eyes, you're able to still see the white makeup. And hairline is very straight, so I'm not gonna go down here. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to keep it as straight as I can and as long as I can move it, or as far as I can get it, because my lid has not much of a space as Lady Gaga's lid. Lady Gaga's lid, you can write there, like you can draw anything on it and it's gonna fit, because she has such amazing eyes and huge. So I think that's why Sarah is so creative when doing her makeup, because she has all the space she wants. And again, looking straight, I'm sketching where I'm going to be placing the white. Yeah, I think up to there. Yeah, I think they're as similar as I could. This you can do with any look that requires that you need to be very careful with the shapes. Like if you're doing graphic liner and stuff like that, and you are not like a pro doing that by hand, you can just sketch it first and use this type of colors, like nude colors, and then you can apply the color that you want on top, following the lines that you already created, because you can erase this easily. But when you use colors already, or even black, then to erase that is going to be a mess. So this is something that I do even when I do like professional makeup application. I do this first sometimes when I'm doing graphic liner. And I'm going to be applying as a base color this NYX Cosmetics eyeshadow base. Is pure white, as you can see, and this is going to be the base, so I can apply the white eyeshadow on top. And I'm going to be using a flat brush like this one. This is from ColourPop, the E3. And I'm gonna start from the center too. This time I'm gonna look down because I want the application to be very even. And I'm going to be covering the pencil that I already sketched there. I was so obsessed with the music video. It's so good, and the makeup and the hair and everything is amazing. So good job, Sarah, Makeup, and everyone in the beauty team. It was so good. You want to apply this base as even as you can, because this is like a eyeshadow primer and you don't want like for it to have patches. So when you go in with the white shadow, it applies even. And the good thing about using this tape is that you can go over the tape and there's not gonna be an issue. Because you remove the tape and you're gonna have that amazing shape. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Now that we apply this base color, we're gonna use ColourPop Blowing Smoke palette and the color Young Love, which is the white on the palette. And with the same brush on the other side that's clean, I'm going to apply the white. And I'm gonna pat the white all over the eyeshadow base that we just did. You know what? I'm going to change my brush actually. I'm gonna use this one that's a little bit more fluffy, because I feel like that one is not applying. Yeah, it's not giving me much product. It's not applying much product. But this one is flat still, but fluffy. Yeah, this one is much better. You can always intensify by applying, like going all over again. Let's do the other side. Make sure that you don't have, like everything is clean. And we're gonna do the same thing. This is how I imagine Sarah did, because on her Instagram she actually put that she used one of the shades from the new palette from House Labs, and that's an eyeshadow palette. And a lot of people are recreating the look using liners, like pencil liners. But if she used an eyeshadow, then she should have done something similar to what I'm doing, like applying a base first and then applying the shadow over. I'm just assuming that she did it like this. So that's why I wanted to do something like this to show you guys another way to do it. And then before we remove the tape, we're gonna do the black liner. She has a black liner very thin in the lash line, and I'm gonna use this gel liner from Pretty Bulgar. It's called the Ink Gel Liner. I'm gonna take a little bit of it and I'm gonna put it here in the back of my hand. A little bit. Look how much I took. And I'm going to dip back and forth on this gel liner. This gel liner is very easy to use, and it gives you time to work with it, and because it doesn't set right away. I'm sorry that I'm a little bit like quiet, but this look is super detailed. I have to make sure I do it perfectly. If I want my liner to be darker, I just go over with more product and make sure it's very black. Okay, we're now gonna remove this, and you're gonna see the shape. That's very sharp. And we're gonna clean up here, like we have a little bit of white, so I need to remove. As you can see, the shape is very sharp. Okay. Let me just clean up a little bit with some micellar water. Just erasing a little bit in the top, the pencil that I applied before. And what I'm gonna do my base, and I'll be right back to finish the look. Okay, I finished my face makeup and I applied some false lashes. I had such a hard time applying lashes. Every time I apply lashes, it's the same thing. I don't know if it happens to you guys, but even when they are very dramatic like this ones, I I have such a hard time. Okay, and we're gonna finish the look, and we're gonna do the lips too. I wanted to do the lips on camera because she's actually using like a nude color lip, but it's like around the mouth is a little bit darker, and then in the center is more lighter. And I wanted to do it in front of the camera because I want you guys to see the technique. And to finish the look of the eyes, I'm going to be using ColourPop's liquid liner in Graceland. This is a white liner. And what I'm gonna do is the little inner corner that she has white. Let me just double check. Yeah. She has like an inner corner situation.
Everybody loves the situation.
In white. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply this liner from the beginning of the shadow and then take it this way and then apply it to the center up to here, because she doesn't have it all the way. She only have it in the inner corner. Yeah, but this is basically all she has, so we're gonna do the same thing in the other eye, making sure that they are similar. Whenever you're doing detailed makeup like this one, you have to be very patient. This is not a makeup that you're gonna do quick. Whether you're doing it on somebody else, on yourself. Since it has so much detail, it's not gonna be quick. Perfect. My eye, this eye is very watery because of the lashes, so I can't wait to take them off. Everything I do for you guys. Okay, so let's move to we finished the eyes already. This is all she has on. So let's move quick to the lips so I can take these lashes out. And I'm gonna be using for this Alamar Cosmetics. I have here. Okay, I'm going to use as a liner Alamar Cosmetics. This is the, where is it? Okay, this is the Coqueta liner from Alamar, and I'm gonna use her lip gloss also in Miami Spice Latte. This is a very affordable brand from here, Miami, and I love her products. And I'm gonna line the lips. If you see Lady Gaga's look, she has like around her mouth very dark and then a lip gloss in the center. Okay. If you feel that you went too far with the liner, just take a lip brush and diffuse it a little bit. And let's take the lip gloss now. That smells so good. And that's it. That's the final step. I hope you like the look. If you try this technique, don't forget to tag me. Follow me on my social media as Makeupbylennie. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. And leave me in the description below what else you want me to do, if you want me to recreate more looks from any other celebrities or any look in particular that you want to see me doing, so I can show you guys the techniques. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay safe and see you next time. Bye bye.